Number 5. The YETI Rambler. 30 ounces stainless steel vacuum-insulated tumbler is a commendable addition to any traveler's essentials. Crafted by the reputable brand YETI, this tumbler in the alluring navy color stands out not only for its aesthetics, but also for its exceptional features. The tumbler's double-wall insulation is a game-changer. It ensures that your hot beverages stay hot, and your cold beverages stay refreshingly cold, no matter where your travels take you. This feature, combined with its shatterproof quality, makes it a reliable companion for those on the go. One of the standout features of this tumbler is its dishwasher-safe attribute, which adds an element of convenience. Moreover, the magnetic cap adds a touch of sophistication while ensuring that your drink stays secure within the tumbler, preventing accidental spills during travel. Whether you are commuting, hiking, or simply enjoying a day out, the YETI Rambler 30 ounces stainless steel vacuum insulated tumbler